Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Got my...
Your knife nice and sharp before you're ready to work. Now, got ourselves some whole chickens over here. Take your whole bird, beautiful bird, take a nice big fat one, get right over. I'm going to show you. This here is an easy process. This is how you just take a whole bird, break it right down. First, I'm going to take a cut right down for the breast. Follow the breastbone with your fillet knife, as close as possible to the bone, so you can get right down to the wishbone until you get to the wing. Now come right up, and there you go. You have a piece of boneless, skin-on chicken breast. So that's perfect for the barbecue. Ready to rock, ready to marinate, ready to go. Next side, same thing. Straight down the breastbone. Cut over. Make sure you get all of the tenderloin that's inside there. You have two pieces. There's the tenderloin, and you have the breast. You want both of them together. Follow the wishbone, straight down to the wing joint. And just like the other side, proceed to cut right through. Avoid the bones. Your knife will get duller if you hit the bones. And there you go. Skin on, boneless chicken breast. Ready to go. Cheaper than if you bought it in the store. Now you got a whole bird. Next part, taking off your wings. You have your whole chicken wing here. You want to just see how there's a joint. You have a white spot right here. Right next to the bird. Go right through. Pull. Same thing. Right through that joint. Through the skin on the opposite side. And there you go. You have a whole chicken wing. Ready to go for the grill. Same thing to the other side. Cut right through. Pull. And there you go. Whole chicken wing. Now, you have your leg quarter section of the bird. He's back here, leg quarters, you got drumsticks, thighs, the whole thing's called a leg quarter. Then you have the back side of the bird, which is great for stock, soup, or anything you need. And the rest of the bird you can use for stock soup too. Now inside here, you gotta realize you got your gizzards and your livers. These are great for frying or for making a gravy or anything that you decide to do with them. Put them to the side. At the moment, we're not using them. Pop the joint, you pull the leg this way and see how the joint pops out? Right to the back. Take your fillet knife and you cut straight down. Right through the meat, tight as you can to the joint. There's your leg quarter. There's your thigh and your leg. See the joint connection? If you take your knife right here and you cut straight down into this joint, just so you got it, so when you grab the drum, you can see there's your joint. Now you just split it, so now you can just take your knife and cut straight through. Now you have a drum and thigh ready to go for your grill. Do the same thing to your opposite side. Pull the drum. There you go. Cut straight down as close as you can to the bone. And straight up. There you go. Same thing. Go over here. Cut straight down. Just till you feel the bone, not into the bone. Pull. Break the joint. Take your knife. Straight. Drum. Thigh. Now, you have your breastbone and the back. Now you take your thumb. You hold your thumb in your hand like this. Put your hand in and pull straight apart. Now you just pulled your back off your breastbone. You have the heart that just came out of the cavity. Now you can put this for soup, go crabbing, wherever you want to do. This is great for soup. You can even do it on the grill if you want the back part. But this here is basically garbage or go crabbing. And that's how you break down a whole chicken.
Right.
Next one we're going to do is a spatchcocked, or basically bird just cut straight down the center, fold in half, and then you're cooking it on the grill flat. So you're going to turn it once or twice and that's it. So for this one, you're going to take the neck out, got your neck to the side, pull your gizzards right out of the inside here, got your gizzards, your heart, all that good stuff there. Make your gravy, whatever you want to do, go catfish fishing, whatever. Now, take your bird, make sure you got it all loose, put your legs, wings to the side, take your old hick, cut straight down through the breastbone here. Want to pop it open. I'm going to break both leg quarters on each side. So each leg quarter is like that, and the front of the bird is like that. So your bird is going to be laying flat on this side when it's laying on the grill, and then flat on this side when it's laying on the grill.
All right.
So now you have a perfectly spatchcocked, butterflied chicken ready to go on your smoker, grill, whatever you're ready to prepare. Perfectly clean, perfectly ready to rock. Really easy to do.
And real easy to do. That's right. All right. Thank you, Jitter.
Okay.
Right on time.
Beautiful. Cut.
That came out good.
All right.
They're really easy to do.
They are easy to do. We got to cook up a few of these, that's for sure. All right. You got a pretty hot fire going in there. Nice. The shoot's going well. 2 chickens down, 2 more to go. And speaking of chicken, oh, can I?
What are we putting on them?
There we go. Zoom set.
You got 8-piece cut up, man. I'll flat
There you
cut
go.
up.
What are we gonna, I know, but what are we gonna put on them?
Mm.
Oh,
You got olive
Yep.
oil and SPG.
I got. Next chicken we got here is a hotel style chicken. So what I mean by hotel style is we're going to break it down, put the bone-in breasts all together. So this here, you're going to cook whole on the grill with the skin on it and everything. So first thing, remove your neck, remove your gizzards and livers and heart. If you want to use that for raccoon bait, whatever you want to do, go right ahead and do it up. Go over here. Now take your knife, either one, either knife you want to use. Go right here and you cut right along the leg quarters. Now you don't want to cut too much of the skin because you want the skin to get crispy while you're cooking it on the barbecue. Go straight down along these ribs. You want to cut straight down in, same side to this side. You want to loosen up. All you're doing is loosen it up. So now you have your whole breast coming out. Now what you do is you get your thumb straight down inside where the neck was, right in here where the gizzard and the neck were. You pull and you separate the back and the neck area. So now the only thing holding it together is the wings. You have your wishbones on each side are going to pop just like so. So now you have an easy area to cut. Take your knife, cut straight down, right along those broken wishbones. Each side, pop the joint so your wings come off. Wings come off. Ooh. Gotta pop this one a little bit more. There is your bone-in, hotel style, skin-on chicken breast. Ready to go, marinate, throw on your grill, smoker, great smoked, on the grill, either way, open flame, ready to go. Now, you got your wings, cut your wings off. You know what to do with these.
Oh, yeah.
Cut your wings right off. You got your back and your leg quarters area here. Pop joints just like we did before. You can leave that whole and cook the whole thing on the grill, just as so. So now you have just your leg quarter and back area without your breast. So now it's an easier cook, so you're not worried about if your breast is cooked all the way. You're able to cook it without the breast on there because your breast is separated. So now you're able to cook it straight down flat and then turn it twice and you're good to go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Well, actually, you need to actually cut your, you don't want your butt gland on there. So now you're actually, sorry about that.
Pretty.
It's easy to do.
All right.
And there you go.
Good one. Thumbs up.
That's a hotel chicken.
Thumbs up. I hope so. Well, let's take a look at that again. Whoa.
We're not throwing nothing on there yet.
Oh, something ate it. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Nice, man. Nice right there. Squared off. Nice.
Trying to fix the mat.
Yeah.
We need a little bit of air in there. With this fat bird here, we're going to take the gizzards out. Make sure you get all the nice gizzards out of here. Like I've said before, use them for what you want to use them for. We are not using them in this situation. Make sure you have this nice and open. See, you got some more in there. Take the gizzards out. Make sure it's nice and open. This one here, we're going to get ready for the rotisserie. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the butt of the chicken here and the extra fat and cut it right off, right at the joint. Take the butt right out of there. So you don't need that gland on there. That's a bad part of the chicken. Some people fry that up in the Asian culture, but we're not doing that today. So we're going to take the bird as it is right here. We're going to make one little slit here. We're going to make one little slit. I'm going to show you on the camera here. Right about there. Now, what we're going to do with these slits is we're going to get the leg right into these slits. Just like so. So that way we don't have to tie it. So we're going to put a string right across the leg quarters because we're going to do this one on a rotisserie. Get your butcher string. Cut about 18 inches. In your hand, go right underneath the wings, both sides. Go straight across. You want to turn your bird sideways. Straight down. Simple butcher's knot. Secure it tight. Go back. Lock it down. You all know about that. Make sure it don't move. Make sure you leave plenty of room so you get pads of butter or whatever you want to do when you have it on the rotisserie. Tie it off. Cut off your excess string. Get rid of it. Come around to your leg quarters. So now you have a bow and your legs here. You want to cut the air pocket on each side. Just so it makes it a little bit better. Your juices will not drip out of the bird. The bird will not become dry. You're doing it as a rotisserie. The bird's going to be moist. Don't need to worry about rotisserie becoming dry. Tie it right off, right at the joints, right on the knuckle. Same thing, but just not cinch her down. Simple, right, guys? Plenty of room for the spit to go right in. And that's the easiest one to do right there. Now you have a perfect bird for the rotisserie. Ready to go.
Nice.
Perfectly. Put your spit right through. tie her down, and you're ready to go for the spit.
All right. Thumbs up.
Have a good one, guys.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
Jalapeno bacon burgers, beer steamed frankfurters, big hand woven bacon bomb explosion, hot grilled apple pie, crawfish jambalaya, jalapeno ribeye, beer and butter chicken thigh, briskets piled high.